The unedited verbatim instructions containing a direct order personally issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in his own handwriting on 24th July in the year of our Lord 2023, through my humble self to Mazi Ekpa. By direct order, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hereby ends once and for all and finally all sit-at-home, including the Monday sit-at-home and any other proposed sit-at-home presently in process.
The Monday sit-at-home order by Simon Ekpa, a Nigerian-British citizen who for a period of 2 years has engaged the eastern people of Nigeria in a sit-at-home ordeal, which according to him is the only way to have the Nigerian government release the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, from the DSS custody. The sit-at-home order by Simon Ekpa, which has over this period of 2 years brought untold killing of the Igbo people as well as loss of property and high level of insecurity in the eastern region, has drawn the attention of the Biafran leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has now given a direct order through his special counsel, Aloy Ejimakor, to Simon Ekpa for the cancellation of all form of sit-at-home order in the East. As you watch the rest of the video, please do well to hit the subscription button, like and share, and do let us know how you feel about this news in the comment section. Thank you and enjoy watching. Ben Ikoku, Adamazi TV.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the press, and good evening to everyone listening out there. My name is Aloy Ejimakor. I'm a legal practitioner and special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the Indigenous People of Biafra, which are the subject matters of this press briefing and public announcement today in Enugu State, Eastern Nigeria. The press briefing is in the form of a public announcement, as I stated before. I have reduced it in writing on my letterhead because of the sensitive nature of the message it bears. And the press briefing and the public announcement is going to be exactly to the script. So now, therefore, I'll read from the script I have prepared, so I stay within context. This is a public announcement stroke press statement issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu through my humble self, Aloy Ejimakor, his special counsel, and is issued to the general public and all media institutions. The subject matter of this public announcement is that by direct order, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu hereby ends once and for all and finally all sit-at-home, including the Monday sit-at-home and any other proposed sit-at-home presently in process. This public announcement, as written, bears the unedited verbatim instructions containing a direct order personally issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in his own handwriting on 24th July in the year of our Lord 2023, through my humble self to Mazi Ekpa, instructing him to, quote, desist from calling for any sit-at-home henceforth, and to make a public announcement on his platform, media platform, to the effect that he, Mazi Ekpa, is in receipt of a direct order from him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to cancel any pending sit-at-home in place at the moment, and also that he, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has, by the same order, authorized me, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, to issue a press statement if he, Mazi Simon Ekpa, fails to make this announcement on his platform. For avoidance of doubt, this direct order to Mazi Simon Ekpa was personally handed to me by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu when I visited him on this 24th of July, 2023 at the headquarters of the Department of State Security Services in Abuja, Nigeria, DSS. Later that day, I tried to contact Mazi Simon Ekpa via his WhatsApp number, but could not reach him until 1:44 a.m. the following day on the 25th of July, whereupon I snapped the direct order as written and sent to him on WhatsApp. He thereafter acknowledged receipt, and we spoke briefly on it and exchanged a couple of text messages thereof. Since that early 25th July 2023, when I conveyed the order to Mazi Ekpa, and he duly acknowledged receiving it, he has not implemented the order or otherwise made such public announcement on his media platform. Nonetheless, I made a conscious decision to give him the benefit of the doubt and thereby accord him time to do the needful. Then late yesterday, further written instructions was issued by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu directly to me by proxy, referring to the extant direct order to Mazi Ekpa, and in addition instructing me that given that Mazi Ekpa has so far not carried out the order, I, Aloy Ejimakor, as of counsel and as of today, the 25th of July 2023, must proceed to make the order public through a written public announcement and press statement.